Ooh, round two, Boker Tov, Siberia. Tel Aviv weather check. Sexiest weather in the world. Is this unbelievable? It's like Arctic, it's like below, it's like minus numbers. Anyway, I can't do this because it's too freaking cold. This weather does not bring out the best in me. I thought it was enjoyable. Now it's just getting to be a pain in the ass. Toes are cold, nose is cold, and outside looks like chocolate chip. Okay, so this is my crazy friend who has a mermaid tail for everybody in the family. Yeah, plus cool stuff. It's my cool friend. It's my hot cool friend. What? Wait. Because yes, I do have OCD, so I rearranged the mermaid tail so they'd actually be utilized properly. Here's the prima ballerina, the prima ballet, the whole mermaid squad is here. Love this.